Hey everyone! Don't forget to check out the free report in the description to discover a secret to lose weight quickly and naturally. Today we're diving into the 7 best foods for weight loss according to experts. Remember friends, there's no magic bullet for weight loss. It's about making sustainable, healthy choices that nourish your body and help you reach your goals. So if you're ready to transform your body and your life, stick around because we're about to break down the science behind these incredible foods and show you how to incorporate them into your diet. Let's get started. First up, we've got leafy greens, the superheroes of the produce aisle. We're talking spinach, kale, collard greens. These guys are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health. But here's the kicker. Leafy greens are incredibly low in calories and high in fiber. Think about it. You can eat a massive salad loaded with spinach and kale, and it'll barely make a dent in your daily calorie intake. Fiber is your secret weapon for weight loss. It adds bulk to your diet, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, which means you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks between meals. Plus, fiber helps regulate your digestion, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, I can't stand the taste of kale. Listen, I get it, not everyone's a fan of plain greens. But here's the thing, you can get creative. Toss them into smoothies where their flavor gets masked by fruits and other goodies. Sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. Or sneak them into soups and stews for an extra nutritional boost. Trust me, there are endless ways to incorporate leafy greens into your diet without sacrificing taste. So make it a goal to have at least 1 serving of leafy greens every day. Your body will thank you. And remember, the fresher the greens, the better. Try to buy them fresh from the market, or even grow your own if you can. Always wash them thoroughly before use to remove any dirt or pesticides. Incorporating leafy greens into your meals can also be a fun family activity. Get everyone involved in preparing and enjoying these nutritious foods. Pair your leafy greens with regular exercise, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Keep track of your progress and celebrate your small victories along the way. Every step counts. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to stock up on these amazing leafy greens. Your weight loss journey just got a whole lot greener. Next up, we're diving into the world of omega-3 fatty acids with salmon, a delicious and versatile fish that deserves a spot on your plate. Not only is it packed with protein, but it also offers a myriad of health benefits that can support your weight loss journey. Now I know some people shy away from fats when they're trying to lose weight, but hear me out, not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats like those found in salmon are actually beneficial and necessary for your body. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats, meaning your body needs them to function properly but can't produce them on its own. This is why incorporating foods rich in omega-3s into your diet is so important. You have to get them through your diet. Including omega-3 rich foods like salmon can make a significant difference in your overall health. And salmon is one of the best sources out there. It's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. So how do omega-3s help with weight loss? Well, for starters, they help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation can be a hidden barrier to weight loss. Chronic inflammation has been linked to weight gain and obesity, so keeping inflammation in check is crucial. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s can help your body function more efficiently. Omega-3s also play a role in regulating appetite hormones, helping you feel fuller for longer and reducing those pesky cravings. This can make it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. And as if that wasn't enough, they can even boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. A higher metabolism means more effective weight management. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon per week to reap the amazing benefits of omega-3s. It's a simple and delicious way to support your health. You can grill it, bake it, pan fry it. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different recipes to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Let's talk about cruciferous vegetables, a group of nutrient-packed veggies that deserve a regular spot on your plate. We're talking broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage. These guys are nutritional powerhouses. One of the reasons cruciferous vegetables are so beneficial for weight loss is their high fiber content. We've already talked about how fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, but it also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can lead to overeating. But that's not all. Cruciferous vegetables are also packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. And they contain compounds that may help support your body's natural detoxification processes. Now, I know some people have a love-hate relationship with cruciferous vegetables, but trust me, there are delicious ways to prepare them. Roast them with a little olive oil and sea salt for a crispy, flavorful side dish. Add them to stir-fries for a nutritional boost, or blend them into soups for a creamy texture. Get creative and experiment with different flavors and seasonings to find what you enjoy most. Chicken breast is a staple in many healthy diets, and for good reason. It's an incredibly versatile protein source that's low in calories and fat, making it a perfect ally in your weight loss journey. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy weight. When you eat protein, your body burns more calories digesting it compared to carbohydrates or fats. This is known as the thermic effect of food. Chicken breast is also incredibly satiating, meaning it keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. And because it's so lean, you can enjoy it more often without worrying about consuming too much fat. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, chicken breast can be dry and boring. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. There are countless ways to season and cook chicken breast to make it delicious and exciting. Grill it, bake it, sauté it, the possibilities are endless. Let's talk about beans and legumes, a group of nutritional powerhouses that often get overlooked. We're talking lentils, black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas. These guys are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that can support your weight loss goals. One of the reasons beans and legumes are so beneficial for weight loss is their impressive fiber content. Fiber, as we've discussed, is your best friend when it comes to feeling full and satisfied. It adds bulk to your diet, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing the urge to snack between meals. But beans and legumes are also excellent sources of plant-based protein. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass, and it also helps boost your metabolism and keep you feeling energized. Incorporating beans and legumes into your diet is easy and delicious. Add them to soups, stews, and chili for a hearty and satisfying meal. Toss them into salads for extra protein and fiber, or blend them into dips and spreads for a healthy and flavorful snack. Let's talk about cottage cheese, a nutritional powerhouse that often gets overlooked. This humble dairy product deserves a spot in your diet, especially if you're aiming to shed some pounds. This versatile dairy product is packed with protein, low in calories, and surprisingly delicious, making it a perfect ally in your weight loss journey. Whether you enjoy it sweet or savory, cottage cheese can fit into any meal plan. One of the reasons cottage cheese is so beneficial for weight loss is its impressive protein content. Each serving provides a substantial amount of protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Protein, as we've discussed, is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass, and it also helps boost your metabolism and keep you feeling energized. This means you can power through your workouts and daily activities with ease. And because cottage cheese is relatively low in calories, you can enjoy a generous serving without derailing your calorie goals. It's a guilt-free snack that keeps you full and satisfied. But cottage cheese isn't just about protein. It's also rich in other essential nutrients that support overall health. It's also a good source of calcium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in bone health and has been linked to weight management. Calcium is vital for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Some studies suggest that adequate calcium intake may help reduce fat absorption and promote fat breakdown. This means that incorporating calcium-rich foods like cottage cheese can aid in your weight loss efforts. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, cottage cheese? Really? Yes, really. It's time to give this underrated food a chance. But trust me, this versatile dairy product can be surprisingly delicious. Experiment with different flavors and combinations to find what you love. Enjoy it plain with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, or get creative with your toppings. Add fruits, nuts, or even a drizzle of honey for a sweet treat, or mix in some herbs and spices for a savory twist. Finally, let's talk about avocados, the creamy, delicious fruit that's taken the world by storm. Avocados are unique because they're loaded with healthy fats, along with fiber and essential nutrients, making them a valuable addition to any weight loss diet. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, fats? But I'm trying to lose weight. Listen, not all fats are created equal. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats that can actually help you lose weight. Monounsaturated fats help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. They also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can lead to cravings. And some studies suggest that monounsaturated fats may even help target belly fat, the type of fat that's particularly harmful to your health. But avocados aren't just about healthy fats. They're also a good source of fiber, which, as we've discussed, is essential for weight loss. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, and it also helps regulate digestion. So there you have it, folks. 7 incredible foods that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, there's no magic bullet for weight loss, but incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can make a world of difference. Focus on making sustainable, healthy choices that nourish your body and make you feel your best. And don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. There are endless ways to prepare these foods to make them delicious and enjoyable. Don't forget to check out the free report in the description to discover a secret to lose weight quickly and naturally. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.